Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to quickly show you how to format a USB stick so it will be compatible with both Windows and Mac. If you basically click here to open the Spotlight and type in disk utility, and you see it comes up there, the application. If you load that up and plug your USB stick into one of your USB ports, and you should see it just pop up in a second. And as you can see there, and if you click the Erase tab here, you'll see some different formats that you can select. Now, MS-DOS-FAT is the one that will work for most versions of Windows and Mac. The only problem with it is there's a 4 GB limit, so it means you can't put files that are bigger than 4 GB on there. If you need to use files that are bigger than 4 GB, then you have to use the ExFAT format. This is the one I'm going to use for this particular example. In fact, actually no, I'll show you the other one first. If you select MS-DOS-FAT, give it a name, USB, and then you also go to the partition. Now, the partition section will basically enable this for use in older versions of Windows, so from like Windows 95 upwards, I believe. And you'd basically select partition 1 and options, and you basically set the master boot record option. This will also enable you to use the USB stick to boot. You set it as a bootable USB stick, so I don't know if you what you might need to boot up with your Windows, but you can do it. And from here you can basically give the partition a name, so we just call that master boot record. Apply, and we'll set a partition. And you can see it's just completing the task there. And now if we erase this part as well. So this particular way of formatting it will basically give you the use of the USB stick across the most different versions of Windows and OSX. It's the most recognised format. As I say, the only problem is a limit of putting 4 GB files on there. So if you want to do larger files, you would basically select the ExFAT format, give it a name. You don't have to worry about the partitions with this, and erase. And that's pretty much it. So that's the 2 ways of formatting. You have to decide on which one's most suitable for you. Okay, yeah, and that's it. And thanks for watching, and I hope that works for you.